Now we'll look at Plato's Meno in order to answer this question. Um, in Plato's Meno, Socrates appears to be a little bit more sophist-like. He appears to be defending sophist when he questions Anytus on what is so wrong with sophist and how does he know that sophists are bad. In addition to this, Socrates continues to make the weaker argument the stronger. For example, Socrates questions a slave who had never studied geometry before to recognize what the right answer was to a geometrical problem. Because Socrates led the slave to the answer through questioning, it is apparent that anyone could have come to this conclusion with Socrates' addition to the dialogue. So, in essence, Socrates could have led anyone into this, and they didn't need to have knowledge, which um, points us towards him making the weaker argument the stronger instead of proving that they're recollecting when he's really just giving them the answer. As far as Socrates being a natural philosopher or being more like this, he refers to gods in a natural form, which is pretty consistent with traditional Athenian ideology, within the Meno at least. Um, and he comes to the conclusion that virtue cannot be taught. And Socrates argues that virtue is presented to the persons by the gods, referring to the gods in the natural form again. So, in essence, this suggests that not everything can be taught, again, even for a price, which makes him appear a little bit more like a natural philosopher because he's not asking for money for his teachings.